Hello and welcome to Consulting Ninja. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. If you find this helpful, hit that notification bell and don't forget to check out my website, consultingninja.tech. With that out of the way, this is mostly a channel update, but I also want to help and inform, so this is kind of a mixed video. I'm going to cover what a channel membership is, how they came about, how you set one up, and then detail my own channel membership perks. I will create chapters for this video, so if you want to see a specific portion, just use the red progress bar to skip to whatever portion interests you. So let's get right into it. What is a channel membership? Well, firstly, any YouTube channel that has a join button on their channel page has a membership. And what a channel membership is a monthly subscription that creates a community of members paying monthly, usually for access to exclusive perks. I wanted my membership to provide real value, so that is how I implemented mine. How did they come about? YouTube started memberships as a way for channel supporters to be able to help creators during the early stages of building a channel. Because during these early stages, sponsors are less likely to work with you simply because you're a smaller channel. It sucks, but that's just the way it is. So how do you set one up? Well, let's get right to that. To set up a channel membership, you must first be monetized. The current requirements for monetization for membership purposes are 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of public watch time. If you have that, then your channel is eligible to apply, and if approved, you can then start your membership. Memberships are split into a couple of portions. You have one portion that is the default perks that everybody gets, and then you have tiers, which are perks that apply to only a specific group of your members. The very first thing that you need to do is decide what default perks you will provide. Default perks are split into three parts: loyalty badges, emojis, and some optional perks that you can turn on and off. Like showing icons on your channel page, that requires a minimum number of members, and highlighted comments that members earn at a rate of 1 a month that they can use during a live stream to draw attention to their comments. The minimum to implement for default perks is you have to have at least one badge. You can use generic YouTube badges. YouTube does provide generic badges. You don't have to have any emojis, you could leave that blank, and you don't have to have any of the optional features turned on. The bare minimum for implementing default perks is using one of YouTube's generic badges, no emojis, and no optional features. With your default perk selections chosen, you then need to set up what tiers your membership will offer. You have to have at least one tier with one perk. That can be anything, including a custom perk that just says, "My appreciation for supporting my channel," which I have seen channels do. There are two other steps YouTube makes you click as done when you feel they are ready. One is creating any members-only content that will be part of any membership. The second one is announcing your membership, something like posting on Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platform that you may have people following you on. But again, those are not requirements. Those are just things that YouTube makes you click as done once you feel they are ready. After you complete all those steps, you simply submit your proposed perks and tiers, and YouTube reviews them. If approved, you then simply click the turn on button and they go live. So what are my channel perks? First, for default perks, I have the maximum number of loyalty badges allowed, which is 8. Each is an image that I created, starting with a plain ninja and working up to a pretty cool white ninja. I also implemented custom emoji. The number you can have is directly tied to how many members you have. I am once again starting with the maximum number allowed, which at my current level of members is 4. I have a good job emoji, a love emoji, 100, and thumbs up. These are also custom images. YouTube does not provide any generics that you can use for the emojis. For the optional features, I decided to turn on recognition on my channel page. That will show your icon on the channel page, and also the member milestone chats so that you can earn one highlighted comment every month that you can use during the live chat. For tiers, I decided to go with 4. There is one tier for every level of Ninja Mastery, which I thought was kind of clever. The 4 levels are Genin, Chunin, Jonin, and Cage. Every level does have unique perks. So what are they? Well, as I mentioned, every tier gets access to all the default perks I already described. So let's just go through the tiers. Tier 1 is $3.99, and for Tier 1 and up, you will get access to members-only polls. Tier 2 is $6.99, and for Tier 2 and up, I will have a shout-out section in my community area where I shout out the name and tier level of every member unless you tell me not to. Tier 3 is $9.99, and for Tier 3 and up, I will have face-to-face live streams where we can meet up and problem solve, do a Q&A, or just hang out. Tier 4 is $14.99, and for this tier, you will get an access code to use my Consulting Ninja bot. This is an application that I put together and I am paying for. If you get this tier, send me an email and I will send back an access token that lets you use this. I plan to increase both the funding of it and the user experience of it if enough people are signing up for that tier. The Consulting Ninja bot is a little bit less conversational than ChatGPT, but it's a bit better at answering coding questions. So that is the basics of a channel membership. That's how you create one. Those are the perks for joining my membership for every tier. I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you all for your support and encouragement. Take care, and as always, have a great day.